Driving traffic to your affiliate links can be hard. You want lots of people to click and buy, but paid ads cost money. What if you could drive traffic for free? Good news. You can get free traffic. This essay will show you how. We'll explore Digistore 24 and free traffic strategies. Get ready to boost your earnings. Are you ready to make money online? Affiliate marketing might be for you. It's simple. You promote someone else's product, and you earn a commission for each sale. But how do you get people to your links? Let's find out. Digistore 24 is a platform. It connects product creators with affiliates. It's a win-win for everyone. As an affiliate, you get access to thousands of products. You can promote these products to your audience. Digistore 24 makes it easy to be an affiliate. They handle all the hard stuff. Things like payment processing and affiliate tracking. You can focus on what matters. That's getting people to click your links. Not all products are created equal. You want a product that converts well. This means people buy it after clicking your link. Look for products with high gravity on Digistore 24. Gravity is a measure of sales. Choose a product you are passionate about. This will make promoting it much easier. Remember, you are helping people solve problems. Pick a product that provides real value. Section 4. Pinterest, your free traffic magnet. Pinterest is a visual platform. People go there to find ideas and inspiration. It's perfect for affiliate marketing. You can create eye-catching pins. These pins will link back to your Digistore 24 products. Create pins that are visually appealing. Use high-quality images and videos. Write compelling descriptions that make people want to click. Be sure to use relevant keywords so people can find your pins. Consistency is key. Pin regularly to keep your audience engaged. Section 5. Bonus tip: Quora, Reddit for the win. Quora and Reddit are goldmines for affiliates. People ask questions and seek advice in these communities. You can provide helpful answers, and naturally include your affiliate links where appropriate. Don't be spammy. Focus on providing value. Build trust with the community. Your affiliate links will feel like genuine recommendations. It's time to take action. You don't need any money to start. Sign up for a free Digistore 24 account. Find a product you love. Create amazing content on Pinterest, Quora, or Reddit. Start driving free traffic and watch your earnings grow.